What's happening, everyone? Fellow fish keepers, how's everyone doing today? Got ODB out here taking the little babies out for a stroll. Now, I know this cloud gonna diminish in a couple days because you got some hungry little jokers in here.
Where he go at? Yeah, that's one of them right there. He gonna pluck them off. See? He just plucked one right there.
Don't swim. Don't take them over there. Take them to the other side. Anyway, ain't nothing you can do about that except remove the situation. But here's another one right here. At the top, getting chased away from the babies. So this what's going on right now. Just some parenting by the red devils, and they rough. You can tell they rough because all the scars on her. And chicken got a couple scars on his face too. And that breeding. So while we got a batch of red devils breeding, if we not gonna keep them, you see what's going on, right? We just letting them live out their life, basically. The way it kind of like they would in the wild. Or as close as we can. But it ain't nowhere near the wild, so we can stop talking about it. We trying to mimic the wild. We just trying to give them the best situation possible for us. And take a look at them. There's quite a few of them. Like I said, they swim and survive for a couple weeks. That's good. If they survive longer, that's even better. So that will keep them from spawning, hopefully. But knowing chicken, he gonna entice her, probably spawn again while the babies are still in the tank if they're not gone. Who knows? Stay tuned. We'll drop another video. You can find out. Hit that notification button so you can get updates. Alright. Peace.